Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Jura Z7 espresso machine. It comes to us with a big leak inside it and was tripping the breaker over and over. So when I opened the machine, I tested, I found a leak on this valve. So I just replaced it. This comes here, and here's another hose, and over here. So the machine start leaking from somewhere else. So it was like that leak going from the where is the thermoblock. So the same one of these hoses going there. So I just replaced it again, replaced that hose, and I tied it enough. So and the machine needs a tune-up. So I did a tune-up and I cleaned the machine, give it a clean cycle and descale it. And the way the brew unit. Yeah, I forget to mention this water regulator get replaced too, and these parts on the brew unit get all replaced, this and that, and there is also a gasket and O-rings. I think I throw them. So let's go ahead and test it and try to make, I don't have the part here to make the cappuccino or make, I just like want to pretend to test all the functions on the machine. So let's go ahead and do it. Yeah, as you see here, supposed to do milk now. Here, there's milk. That's cool. So let me try to make an espresso shot. Perfect. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.